Can you do your shapes?
Okay.
Okay. What shape is that?
Circle.
Mm-hmm.
Triangle.
Triangle, that's right. Shape is that?
Square.
No, look at what's in your hand. That's not a square. Oh,
Okay.
what shape is that?
Star.
Star, yeah, find the star hole. Here you go. What's that one?
Square.
Square? Uh-huh. Good girl. Yay! You did it!